Editing the password page in Shopify allows you to customize the message and appearance customers see when accessing a password-protected storefront. Here's how to do it. Access password page settings. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Online Store Preferences. Enable password protection. If you haven't already, enable password protection for your storefront by ticking the box next to Enable Password under the Password Protection section. Edit password page content. Scroll down to the password page section. Here, you can customize the headline, message, and background image displayed on the password page. Headline and message. Edit the default headline and message to communicate relevant information to visitors, such as when the store will be available or have to request access. Background image. Choose a background image that reflects your brand or the nature of your store. Ensure it's high quality and visually appealing. Preview changes. Shopify provides a live preview of the password page, allowing you to see how your edits will appear to visitors. Save changes. Once satisfied with your edits, click Save to apply the changes to your password page.